Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi. Education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms. Our college suggests Google Meet for students to resume their learning through online platforms. Here are the procedures to be followed. Before the class begins, students are asked to take note and pen. Secondly, do not engage yourself with attending phone calls from relatives, friends, and outsiders. If you do so, you will be getting out of the link, which means you are no more in the class. Staff won't fetch you attendance if you leave the class link. So, students, do not attend any phone calls during the classes. Our college has created a group which has been titled as Grace COE First Year A section, like so many sections. Staff will send you a link before the class begins. Just click the link. It will drive you directly to the Gmail login phase. If you have Gmail ID, it will absolutely bring you to the class. If you don't have, you should create your own ID. After that, enter your password. Then click Next. You will be screened as getting ready. Immediately after that, turn off your camera, mute your microphone, because you are asked to hear only the staff's voice. In the midst of the class, if you have any doubts, turn on your microphone, then you can rectify your doubts. After that, in the right side, click the icon named Join Now. So now the staff will receive a screening message like someone wants to join. So that staff will make you to join the class. And the top right side, you will have the icon like show everyone. If you click that, you will get to know whoever is in the class. For creating your names in the Google Meet, you should follow the below instructions. Firstly, you should write the short form of your department in caps, followed by underscore, and then your name should be placed. It is important to have full stop and then your initial. If your name is incorrect, kindly follow the below instruction to change your name. Firstly, sign in your Gmail account. In the right side, you will have the 6 dots icon. Click that icon. And third, click the icon named Manage Your Google Account. Fourth step is, in the left side, you will have the icon of Personal Information. After clicking the personal information, click the name. After that, you will be received the screening as Change Name. Now, you can change your name as the college demands. To be noticed, your last name must be your initial. Do not forget to save your changed name. Now, your name will be changed as per the college rules. This is how you have to change your name, because staff will give you attendance with regard to your name. After that, you will have the icon of chat. What is the purpose of chat is, if you have any doubts while the staff is teaching, you can either unmute your microphone and ask directly, or you can type in the chat box like, "Ma'am, please teach me once again." After receiving your text, staff will teach you one more time. Staff will teach you like this book screening. If your class is over, you will have the icon of leave the call to leave from the class. Then click Return to Home screen. So now you are left from the class. This is how you should get into the Google Meet class. Thank you, students.